how to turn your active off on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can turn our active off on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to turn off active on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch your Instagram application, and then make sure to tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the bottom right, tap the three lines option from the top right, and then just go to settings. After you come to settings, just navigate to the option called privacy that you can find here, and as you go to privacy, go to activate status and just make sure to turn off both of these toggles over here. Once you turn off both of these toggles, your active status will get successfully turned off. This way you can turn off active status on Instagram. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.